See here the result of an automatically fast hail storm mini. As you see, the closest thing is snow that we in California. There's ice on by the bottom of the car and top of the cars. Over there on the ground. Right there. You got the purest form over here. Right there. I mean, this stuff pretty much almost just like snow. Look at this. Oh, almost fell. Pretty much is snow. So, you know, I mean, this stuff is strong. And my hands are freezing just looking at it, feeling it. And you can hear cops in the background if my sound's that good. And my grandma's car been getting snow off, but it's like the past 10 minutes, having a fire on the windshield and everything. Snow all over the place. Even though the snow off, right? Snow, it's all over the camera! Grab other people, goes back in the truck. This is actually pretty cool. Pretty much close thing to snow. And pretty sure it's been several accidents because you heard everything. And as we speak, this is just crazy. Look at Taylor in the rain. But I should have shot this earlier because then the whole street was covered in hail. Here we go. See, this is a whole lot of hail. You see everyone playing it. The street was filled with hail earlier, so I should have got that. That was my bad. Pretty much in every car. Now it's starting to melt away, as you see, but there's still plenty left on the cars. Pretty dope, huh? Let's look at the truck. The truck's pretty dope. See? What's up? It's like... See? The father. This is the good thing I got home when I did. That was nice I'd be screwed. So, this is just cool. I'm recording this. Alright, well.
Hey, say hi.
Bye.